Once you have the Screencastify editor open and a clip loaded, you'll notice this interface. The first thing I notice is the timeline. Notice how I have this clip selected. I can tell because of the outline. I also have handles at the beginning and the end. If I mouse over, I can drag these handles and trim here if I had not trimmed before. If I do something I didn't mean to do, I can always use the undo and redo buttons at the top. If I want to see more detail in the timeline, I can use this zoom control. Let's look at the first tool here, the cut. If I have something in the middle of my clip and I want to cut it out, I just move the playhead to where I want it to cut, click on the scissor, and that makes two clips. See how now I have two clips. If I wanted to forward past the other section I want to cut out, move the playhead, cut again. I could select the part that I'd want to delete and trash it. If I want to add additional clips, I could use the plus and put a substitute piece of material in between.